Today we're doing steak and potatoes, and this one's pretty straightforward. So potatoes will go in the microwave. What we're gonna end up doing is we're gonna fucking fork them first. The steak, on the other hand, we're gonna put it in the skillet. And it's some expensive steaks. So and I'm pretty serious about my steak. So we'll whatever. Fuck it. I can't even think straight right now. So before we put them in the microwave, we're just going to fork these a few times. That way they don't explode. So the potatoes, we're going to go ahead and put them in the microwave, put them in for 5 minutes. So there's really two rules for doing steaks. One, sea salt, not table salt. So if you were a type of moron that puts this shit on your steak, you need to go outside and have somebody beat your head up against the pavement until you are no longer fucking retarded. Always sea salt. So we're gonna take the sea salt and salt and pepper. It's really all you need to do to season it. And a little bit, flip them, repeat. The second rule is never cook a cold steak. So you take these out of the fridge, preferably not frozen. Hopefully you're not freezing fucking ribeyes. But take them out of the fridge at least 30 minutes prior, and they don't have to be like hot or anything, just room temperature. You always start with a room temp steak. Put some oil in the pan. So when we do these steaks, we're going to put them in and we're going to flip them about every minute. So if you like your rare steaks, you're going to put them in about 5 minutes, somewhere between 5 and 7 minutes. If cooking them longer than that, then just don't even fucking bother because you're stupid. Don't, like the hockey puck fucking steaks. I hate it when people do shit like that. Lay them in, you lay them in away from you. That way you don't splash fucking hot oil on yourself. So an easy way to do this, if you're working on a rare steak, set the timer on your oven for 5 minutes. Every time it cycles a minute, you flip your steaks. So here we go. So while that's also cooking, we're gonna crush a garlic clove. You don't have to chop it up or nothing. We're gonna crush it just so it gets opened up and we throw it in the pan. It's been a minute. Flip. Gonna take a stick of butter and rub it. There we go. Flip it again. Butter. There you go. Look at that sizzle. Fuck yeah, two coming together. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. We're going to take them out. You're going to let it rest. 5 minutes at a minimum. Here we go with the potatoes. So potatoes, we've also let them sit for a minute or two. Okay, so here we go. Got your steak. You got the potato. I'm gonna dress all this shit up. Steak, potatoes, fuck off.